Making a quick video about the forthcoming Christmas workshop, and this is just a fly through rundown on what we're going to do quickly on the day to make some really nice gifts. This is actually 60 by 90 centimeters, this canvas. So we've started off with a little bit of rough sort of violet applied in light to medium to dark going down. These are some of the stencils, negatives and positives that we're going to be using to get some quick finishes. And when we do another layer, we include some darker values, just scumbled in up the top and down the bottom. Here we've used a couple of those stencils and we've used an atomizer of white acrylic. Then we've used some negatives of stencils with the atomizer to get some foreground shapes of trees, which we then apply with a brush some more violet. So we're sort of trying to get this feeling of aerial perspective, you know, a bit of depth in it, a bit of ambience, a bit of light, glowing light. We've stained now with some glaze of turquoise, and then we've brought some of the turquoise up into the lower parts of the overhead foliage. Now we've started to use a range of stencils to create greenery in the foreground. This scene we've put some rays of light coming through. We're not done yet, but I just thought I'd give you a quick introduction to where we're going. There's going to be an option of a lyrebird or some parrots, a peacock maybe, different creatures to go in this beautiful forest scene.